Okay, starting to accumulate my gear for an African safari, and I wanted to share some key things with you. One new one that I wanted to share real quick, I got this Insta360 X4, and this little protector here for the lenses is absolutely essential. While a fabulous camera, one of the stupidest designs ever with these lenses like this. And I'm telling you, I've been so gentle with this, just practicing with it, trying to learn how to use it before we go. And I guess I am used to GoPro and DJI action cameras, and somehow I chipped the lens already. So if you want to be able to have this thing survive and not go through a whole bunch of those, this is a great way. Just whenever you're not using it, throw it on there. You can actually put it down. I was like looking for towels and stuff to put it down on every time I tried to put it down, or put it down like that. This just resolves that whole thing. If you want one, there's probably a link right here on the screen. Down in the description, worst case scenario, costs you nothing extra to use those links. Remember to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about what we're taking to Africa, let me know. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.